Bobby Stein, y'all. Today is Friday, September 29th, 5:26 p.m. and I'm rolling into one of the favorite towns that I film, Ruleville, Mississippi. It's a beautiful little town, and it's clean, wide boulevards and streets. And today I'm going to check out the Ruleville Roast, an annual event. This is the first time I've been here. The Cracker Jacks are playing, and that's what brings me up here. I haven't heard them in years, so I'm looking forward to that, and maybe seeing some people that I know. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we will see you next video.
Spotlight on the road. Did you know the little boss, y'all? Singing, love my great thing, y'all. Oh yeah, spotlight on some ticket. Singing, much things that. Oh yeah, spotlight on some things. Pick a job, with a girl, pick a job, singing, must stay inside. Oh yeah, spotlight on Otis Redding. Gone to look great, y'all, singing, stay by me, baby. Oh yeah, spotlight on Sam and Dave. Hey, look, we want to thank y'all for having us here in the park for the great Ruleville Roast. And I think I got roasted last night across the street there at the farm. So, anyway, that was a lot of fun. Good to see y'all.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Hit a tree?
Not yet.
Yeah, you can try to. Sure. Yeah, you can.